Good morning, everybody. So I just got done clearing off a pathway from the stairs, or down the stairs to the edge of the pad, the cement pad. I don't want to trip down those stairs. It would not be, even in this fluffy, beautiful snow, it would not be a pretty sight. Oh, look at that. Good morning, sweet birdie. I'm sorry to mess up your warmth in your shelter this morning, but I gotta feed the girls. These girls heard me out here this morning, and they have not stopped. They're ready for some food. They're very much ready for some food. This is their ice water. Yeah. Anyway, solid frozen solid block of ice. I'm fixing to go put this in the greenhouse so that way it kind of defrosts a little bit. I have about 4 buckets I've been rotating out with snow. Pack them full of snow and then melt them in the greenhouse because our city's water is frozen. Let's go in Rosie and check her out. I haven't been in there since my last video update. So we'll be seeing her for the first time together. Ooh. Right now, I'm super thankful for wearing Terry's boots. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Oh my goodness. They're big and sloppy on me, but they are keeping the snow out of my shoes. All right. I think Rosie's a little mad at me. I'm gonna need 2 hands and possibly a shovel. So I'm gonna set you guys right there. Wear a size 14 boot. That works too. Okay. Oh. She is super dark from all the snow that's on her, but I still see breath, but it's really not that cold in here. I mean, it's cold. The snowbirds get in here. The little finches try to get in here out of the weather, and they knock over my thermostat, my little gauge here. And it says it's 27 degrees in here with 88% humidity. And the plants are showing that it's been 27 degrees in here and colder. Let me flip you guys around so you can see what I'm seeing here. Start over here. Garlic seems to be okay. Lettuces and cauliflower are not. Aw, my peas. They were starting to do pretty good, but they don't look so swift now. They may bounce back. We don't know. we'll see. This is the first time doing this, so yeah. And we've got some over there. Look, even the celery is like, ain't happening. Yeah, so I've got the city-stead garlic right back there, and it even is wilted over. I'm sure it'll be fine. Lettuce, more onions, and then Macy's carrots. They don't look dead, they just look given up. Like they've just given up. So, got a tray over there that I guess we just missed. I don't know, maybe I said leave it. I don't remember. Brussels sprouts are kind of given up a bit. Let's go take a look at the potatoes. I covered them with a tarp, especially over here in this area because they were popping up. They were popping up, and they were looking like they were getting a little frostbitten. So yeah, did come through and add some more leaves over the top of these, hoping to give them a little more protection. This one I did not, just to see what would happen, and it still looks like it got a little frostbitten. We'll see if it bounces back, though. They might bounce back. I don't know. The soil seems pretty rock solid. Obviously, in 27 degrees, it's going to be frozen. But I'm going to get these covered back up to salvage or save any heat that might be trapped in there and not let it all out. And so that's what's happening in Rosie. So we'll see. Like I said, this is really not normal for us in Oklahoma. So I guess it's good that I figure out these things now and maybe try to better protect them in the future. We'll just have to wait and see. Let's go take a look in Sampson and see what is happening over there. Okay, so not much has changed in Sampson. He's holding his heat. Of course, we've got the gas heater in here as well, and right now he's at about 70 degrees. The seedlings are doing good. A few of them that were in Rosie to start off with, like the lettuces, are looking a little puny and sheepish. Everything in here appears to need water, lots of water. And so I'm going to be melting snow today and getting some warmed water so that way we can get everything watered up really well in here and looking good. There's a few things that a few chores that I need to be doing in here, like topping off my big tomato plants here. You can see the soil is about 1.5 inches low. It's a good 6-8 inch plant there. They're just doing really well. So I'm going to take off these lower leaves here and top them off with a little soil, bring the soil up to the top here. It will grow more roots down this stem, and it'll just make an overall healthier, stronger, sturdier plant when I put it out this spring. Making sure that I don't put my plants out too early so I don't lose them. We will be putting them out probably a little later than what we normally do. Just because this weather, don't trust it. I do not trust it anymore. So, yeah, there's a few tomato plants over here that need to be up potted, some pepper plants that need to be put into pots, and that's about it. I mean, there's not a whole lot going on in here in as far as things to do. I was hoping that this week I could have transplanted out some of my kale and celery and cabbages, but I think I'm going to give it to the middle of March to get those things out and hold off another month. So I appreciate you guys coming along with me today and checking out the updates on both Sampson and Rosie. And I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all have a safe and blessed week. Bye now.